Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. Today we're going to be focusing on Chapter 12, Lesson 7, page 778, 779, and 780. All right, so we're going to look at our fractions. We have some vocabulary words. First off, we're working with the word partition. Partition means to separate. And then we're working with halves. Halves are you can put things in two parts, or two equal parts. We can also say half of. We're going to be working with thirds. That's where we put three equal parts. And then we can also say third of. And the last fraction term we're working with is fourths, and we can say fourth of. That means we put into four equal parts. All right, so let's look at the first one, halves, half of. You can see that these are partitioned into equal parts. Half a circle, there are two parts, so we say halves. Here's a square that we cut into half, two equal parts. Here's a rectangle that we can also put into two equal parts. There's one and two. So you can see that we can use a circle, we can use a square, we can use a rectangle to show two equal parts. Our next one is thirds, three equal parts. You can see here in the square, three equal parts. And in our rectangle, we can do three equal parts. And our last one, fourths. We're working with four equal parts. So in the circle, we can cut it up into four equal parts. Square, we can do the same. And then in our rectangle, always cut it in half first, and then put the other sides in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I forgot to write these in 1, 2, and 3. So halves, thirds, and fourths. So let's look at our describing the equal parts. Write 2 halves, 3 thirds, or 4 fourths. Well, here if I look at number 1, I see 2 parts. So that means it is 2 halves. Number 2, we're breaking the circle up into 4 equal parts. So we would say 4 fourths. There. And then 3 and 4, you can kind of go through and do those. And then here you're going to draw lines to partition each shape. Now remember, partition means to separate into equal parts. So here you got to put this one into 2 equal parts, and then this square you have to put into 4 equal parts. Let's look at the talk math. It says explain how you can divide a pie so that 4 people each get an equal part. Well, first off, what shape do pies come in? Well, pies come in a circle. So now I'm going to let you put this into 4 slices so that 4 people each get an equal part. All right, so that's that page there. Let's look at our next page here. You're going to be on my own. You're going to be doing the same thing for 7 through 12. 2 halves, 3 thirds, or 4 fourths. So you're going to be doing the same thing that we did. For 9, 10, 11, and 12, you're going to have to draw the equal parts. And then for 13, 14, 15, and 16, you're going to have to partition the shape in a different way. Show that the same number of equal parts. So here, you have to draw this a different way. Number 14, you have to draw it a different way. Don't draw it the same way. You got to draw it a different way. Same thing with this one. How are you going to draw the square and show 4 equal parts? Not doing that. And then here, thirds, you have to draw thirds in this rectangle on a different way. All right, let's look at our last page here. Work here, sorry. All right, so here you have 3 word problems. Eva's mom bought a pizza. Eva ate 1 equal part. Her friend ate 1 equal part. There was 1 equal part left over for Eva's mom. How much of the pizza was left over for Eva's mom? Well, let's do this one first. First off, you're going to underline what you're given. So make sure you're underlining all of that. And then the last bit, you're going to circle the question. Now, I'm kind of holding the camera and doing this, so that's why I'm not underlining everything. All right, so Eva's mom bought a pizza. Eva ate 1 equal part. Her friend ate 1 equal part. There was 1 equal part left for Eva's mom. All right. Well, first off, we know pizzas come in our circles for the most part, unless you go to Pizza Hut where they might have. And then we're going to draw that, and then we're going to draw that, and then we're going to draw that. So this is Eva's part. This is her friend. This is her mom. The question says, how much of the pizza was left for Eva's mom? Her mom had 1/3 of the pizza, 3 parts, and 1 was for her mom. So the top number was the part for mom. The bottom part is the total number of parts, Eva, friend, and mom. All right, so you're going to go through and you're going to answer 18 and 19, and then you have the hot problem. Show the same number of equal parts in 2 different ways. So you need to show on that, and then I want you to explain what you did. How did you solve it? All right. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions, send them to me through Dojo. Thank you.